In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly add Klarna to Apple Pay. Let's get started. Open up Klarna and log into your Klarna account. Once you have logged in, click on your wallet tab here, and then first what we're going to do is you go to create your Klarna card in order to add it to your Apple Pay. So first you have to create the card. So to create it, you can go and click on this Klarna card and then select the store. So for example, where you want to use this at. So once you are in this use this at, okay, and then what we're going to do is select in-store as your payment method. So click on in-store and then now click on create one-time card. So this will now create a card. So enter the amount for like the budget for your card. So just do that, and then once that's done, okay, so once you have created the card, so for example here, once the card has been created, all you have to do is you go to simply click on agree and create card. So once you have created the card, then you will have the option on your next screen here. Once you're done with the payment and everything, on your next screen here, you will have the option to add this to your Apple Pay. So you can just hit on add to Apple Pay, and then the card will be added to your Apple Pay. Alternatively, what you can do, you can open up your, once you've already created your Klarna card, you can go to your wallet. Okay, so you can just open up your wallet and then you can add your card manually here. So you can click on the plus icon and then select your debit or credit card option, and then try to manually, you can simply hit on like manually add the details of the card and everything, and manually add it to your Apple Wallet if you don't actually see it on your Klarna app itself. So that's pretty much it is.